Sir,
now!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing nothing.
Sir, put your hands behind your back.
On March 15, 2022, officers received a call regarding a male and female involved in an altercation in a parking lot. They were informed that the woman had hit the man in the face with a liquor bottle. The situation was about to escalate even further when the police arrived.
Stop. You over here. Right now. Away from the car now. Away from the car. Sir, get over here. I said you over here. I don't care. No, you're not. Stop. I don't care. Stop. Both of you are stopped. So I got another unit here.
I'm not started.
Okay. You're not saying nothing. Everybody's chilling.
Okay.
Man, you're not allowed to walk away. Stay right here. 144
Why you don't call 911?
I did call 911.
Yes, you did.
I did it by accident.
I got contact with two individuals. Where's my other unit? Why, Twitty, take her over to your car. Where's your ID?
Can I have it in the car? Can I have it?
Okay, I'll get it in just a second.
Walk over here with me. Come on. Ma'am, walk over here. I'm not going to tell you again. What's going on?
Nothing. We were arguing.
Okay. And then what happened?
Nothing. We're arguing.
What were you guys arguing about? Okay. You got your ID on you?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see it. How do you get that cut on your thumb?
What are you talking about?
Right there.
Nothing. I threw food.
Okay, that doesn't happen for throwing food.
What are you talking about?
Let me see your ID. Let me see your ID.
I don't have an ID.
Okay, what's your name?
Of this. I don't have an ID.
Okay.
What is going on? Why, dude?
We're just having an argument, man.
Okay, you're not just having an argument because I just had people calling in saying you just punched this girl. She hit you with a liquor bottle. You're bleeding from the face.
Where am I bleeding? I'm bleeding?
On your face, yes. So therefore, I know that something's happening, and you're lying about it right now.
I had to smash my face into the car.
What is going on? What's happening?
We can handle it, man.
Okay, all right. You're both about to go to jail then.
For what?
Breach of peace.
Okay, so you're gonna take me on a bullshit charge, and I'll be like, come on, man. Like, why
Be cooperative?
I am being cooperative, bro.
Okay, who is she to you?
My girlfriend.
How long have y'all been together?
A long time, a year.
Y'all got kids together?
Not yet.
Y'all live together?
Yes, sir.
Where at?
Huh?
Where at?
Around. Like,
Where?
I'm not being dickhead. Around. Like, wherever the fuck we can stay.
Okay.
145. Can you copy your name, date of birth?
I've never been arrested before.
Okay, I still have to report all this.
The officer was going to ask the man about the incident that took place, but the man showed no interest in helping.
Like if you look at me, I'm at large contestant on Oak Blues County.
Okay, where's your ID?
It's in there.
Okay.
Or, oh, no. Baby, you got my wallet? Can you give him my ID, please? Don't give my wallet to him, just give him my ID.
So you want to tell me what this fight's about?
It's a relationship stuff, dude.
Relationship stuff?
Yeah, I mean, it's nobody's business. Like
it is our business.
How is it your business?
Domestic violence. Yes, I do.
Okay, where's the domestic violence?
Okay.
I will let you scratch my face.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
A witness saw you.
Did they get a picture?
We about to.
Here's what's gonna happen right now, okay? I'm gonna read you your rights. You're not under arrest, but I need to read it to you so we can talk about what's going on, okay? And what was reported to us. Okay, well,
I accidentally called the cops.
Okay, well, let me
So
clarify.
I accidentally called the cops.
Okay.
So nobody else did. Okay. I accidentally called the cops. There's
Okay. Well, let me talk about what's happening, and then you read to this, okay?
Okay, get one.
Why are you being so uncooperative?
Because you're not gonna see her and make me
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
No.
Do it now.
No, dude. Like.
Do it now. I'm gonna tase you, dog. Put your hands behind your back.
Film this, baby. They're about to tase me.
For what? One taser point.
Baby, they're about to tase me.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing nothing, baby.
Put your hands behind your back.
Sir, now.
Put your hands behind your back.
Tase me.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing nothing.
Sir, put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing anything.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. Sir, do it now, please. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not going to.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind
Stay
your back.
there.
No, come up here, babe. Come on. No, let it.
Sir, put your hand behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Right now you're resisting?
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Put your hands behind your back. Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around. Put your hands. I'm telling you, stop. Dude, stop. I'm telling you right now. Stop.
He left the officers no choice but to take strict measures.
Put your hands behind your back. Dude, stop.
What am I doing?
Stop.
What am I doing?
Put your hands behind your back.
No! Put your hands behind your back! Hold on, you're fighting! Stop! Stop resisting! I got him caught. Stop! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Hey, stop! Taser! 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 Put your hands behind your back! Right now! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Stop! Put your hands behind your back!
My hands are behind my
Stop!
fucking back!
Stop resisting! Stop!
I'm already gonna pay for this.
Alright, you good. Watch your back. Watch your foot. I got you.
Hey, what? What's going on? All right. Well, you're being detained as well.
Why?
Huh?
What? I've never been arrested.
Well, it doesn't matter. I don't know exactly why. They just asked me to detain you, so just do me a favor. Hold that.
I'm being arrested?
You're being detained at this point.
Okay.
So I can determine what's going on. Oh, that's why it won't come. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know why I'm here. Why he's asking for you to be detained. I understand that. So just do me a favor. We're going to read you Miranda here, then we're going to ask you some questions.
Well, give me EMS.
If you want me to roll around, I will.
Stop moving. I want you to stop moving.
What do you need me to
You're
do?
going to stay right here until EMS
Okay,
gets
do
here.
what you need me to do now.
You're going to stay right here until EMS
I heard
gets here.
that. Tell me what you need me to do and I'll do it.
Stay where you are.
Okay, now you want to do that. Okay. Jokes. I'm gonna own this. So you need to be able to.
You're going to stay where you are
I have
until
heart
EMS.
problems and I can't breathe.
You're
So
fine.
if
You're
you
on
know
your
me to
side.
die,
You're on
you'll
your
fucking
side
pull
and
me
you're
in.
fine.
I need to sit up.
All right, sit up.
I don't need your help.
No, leave him here.
Okay, I
Leave
got
him
it.
sitting.
Give your hand off me.
No.
I'm fine.
Not.
Trash. What's the y'all do?
Where's the blood coming from?
Don't fucking worry about it.
I think it's coming from.
I from when you shot me 8 times.
All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have...
I'm glad you got that video you overtasted me.
They were still not ready to give accurate details of the altercation to the officers.
My car too long, he works here. And my car too long. And then he parked over here. He finally came, he parked over here, and I told him to get out my car. And he wouldn't get out my car, and we were arguing. And food was thrown.
Okay.
And I called to scare him, and then I hung up.
Who hit who
I called the
first?
cops. No one hit anybody.
What? Alright, Jack, just sit here, right, man? I'm good, man. He's a piece of that guy right there. Yeah, you, the one I'm looking at. There's 8 cops here, and he's the only one I'm talking shit to.
She wants to give me the vehicle.
Huh? Hold on. No, I see him at what? I see him. No, we need a vehicle. Then that's fine. We're gonna pull probes. Garbage. Who's in charge here? Or who'd be the highest ranking?
She's here.
Alright, cool.
Alright, we'll get her coffee, bud.
I just got tackled to the ground for no reason, tased. Like extensive force, like.
No one hit anybody.
Okay,
There was
so
food thrown.
so the little bit of blood that's over there, that's from him being on the ground. So he never hit you with anything? You never hit him with anything?
No. The food was thrown. Look at that. The food was thrown. That was all. My leftovers from last night was thrown.
Did you throw it at him or you just tossed it
No,
to him?
he threw it out the car.
Okay, he threw it. So you had...
So he threw it out at you?
He threw it out the car.
So
Okay,
were
so
you
he
working
didn't
at the time? Were you working at the time?
I just got off. Like I
So you
worked at
just
home.
got off work. You were coming out here and you wanted the car.
Yes, because he was supposed to pick me up a while ago.
Okay. And so he was.
His head.
Okay, so he was supposed to pick you up. You just got off, And then you guys started arguing because you wanted the car and you started arguing about the car.
Yeah, so I just told him to get out. He wouldn't get out. So I tried to scare him to call the cops, and then y'all showed up.
And then
I hung up before I even said anything, and then.
And he threw the phone at, or he threw the phone, he threw it.
Here's what one of the witnesses saw from their car.
Are you hurting anywhere?
Yeah, my whole body.
Okay.
You guys. What are you going to jail for?
Snap a photo of that real quick. The probes?
That's all right.
What happened to him? Is he okay?
He's alright. We're just having him checked out.
He wasn't bleeding though. Before that.
He's bleeding out of his nose, and
I know, but he wasn't
been
bleeding
tased, obviously.
I know, but he wasn't bleeding before that.
Okay, well, when you resist the police and you get tased, you have a tendency to fall.
I don't know yet.
Just have a seat. Just have a seat. You're not going to jail.
I've never been to jail. This will f up my record.
You're not going to jail. Just put your feet in. Until we figure out what's going on with you, I'm not going to hold on to you the entire time.
We'll hold them. It's easier for you. They should just slide in between the skin and the probe. Do something pull now versus trying to just pull a probe. One gang, one, two gang. That's why I carry my pliers. One gang, one, two.
Oh, hold up. Let me bridge that. If they'll loosen these cuffs instead of throwing my wrist, I'll go to the hospital. But if they don't, then I'll suffer with it, and then I'll just deal with that later.
Well, I don't make any sense
right now, dude. It's bullshit.
Did we get an ID on him yet? Anybody have
Yeah, they had it when you tased me, dumb.
Yeah, we'll find stuff. He's going to the hospital.
What's it like to be a piece of shit like your partner? No, I ain't going to know that. You don't want to go now?
You want to go?
I'll go later on. I'll make it a point.
Get it on camera. Whose car is this? 20! Lock it.
Hold on a second. What happened to the windshield?
That windshield has been like that for a month. We got pulled over with it a couple times.
Okay, all right.
Can I please go to the restroom?
Hold on a second. Hold on.
You know what my face is bloody? Because your cop fucking me on the ground for no reason. Okay,
You ever get your feet in?
keep on brushing me off.
Emails altercation.
We're going to get you up to the hospital.
Whatever, dude. Where's more of my time? What happened to the hospital? Thanks.
Jack, you alright?
Not really, dude, but it's whatever.
We're going to get you up to the hospital.
I mean, obviously it's not that important. Like, just take me to jail. Like, if I was going to the hospital, you think it'd be a little more quicker.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
Dude, I want to not be in handcuffs for no reason, but I don't get that. So, I mean, whatever you guys need to do, just do it. Like, I just need to get my phone call and get out of jail. So I'm going for no reason.
I mean, it's going to be a minute.
Of course it is. That's how y'all work.
But do you want to go to the hospital?
Dude, sure, whatever.
Okay.
I want to go wherever she's going. How about that? If she goes to the hospital, I'll go to the hospital. If she
So-
goes to jail, I'll go to jail.
Okay, we'll take you up there, get you looked at, get you fixed, get you cleared.
I just specifically told you what I wanted. So if she just goes to jail, then I'll go to jail. If not, then I'll go to the hospital. Like, I mean, dude, I'm not, listen, sir, I'm not trying, I know I'm being, I'm trying not to be.
Right?
It
I
just-
showed up late, I don't know what happened.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it just, I'm honestly joking, just to what's force or.
And then he was able to lock her out of the car, and then he kind of pulled his car forward a little bit onto her a little bit, and then they just kind of kept going in and out of the car, and they would run around the car and hit each other a little bit, and then he'd get back in the car, and I saw him bang on the windows too at some point when he was in his car, and then at one point he opened his door and kind of had her by the neck in his car.
Hold her in his car.
Yeah, and she was kind of in and out of the car, and he had her by the neck.
Come on with